Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called the versatile pressure cooker. The pressure cooker, a staple in many kitchens around the world, has long been celebrated for its ability to cook food quickly and efficiently. This versatile appliance uses high-pressure steam to significantly reduce cooking times, making it an invaluable tool for busy households and culinary enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to prepare a hearty stew, tenderize tough cuts of meat, or simply steam vegetables, the pressure cooker offers a convenient solution that preserves flavor and nutrients. A pressure cooker operates by trapping steam inside a sealed pot, which raises the internal pressure and temperature. This elevated pressure reduces cooking times dramatically compared to conventional methods. The science behind this is straightforward. Water boils at a higher temperature under pressure, and this high-temperature steam cooks food faster. But to me, who has only recently started using this form of cooking, it seems a bit like magic. Modern pressure cookers come with safety features like locking lids and pressure release valves, making them safe and easy to use. So, what are the benefits? Meals that typically take hours to cook can be ready in a fraction of the time. Shorter cooking times mean less energy consumption. The quick cooking process helps preserve vitamins and minerals that are often lost in long cooking methods. Pressure cooking intensifies flavors, making dishes more robust and delicious. And from soups and stews to rice and desserts, a pressure cooker can handle a wide variety of recipes. Let's put the pressure cooker to the test with a classic comfort food recipe, tomato risotto. This dish is perfect for showcasing the pressure cooker's ability to cook rice to perfection in a fraction of the usual time. This recipe serves 4 ingredients: 1½ cups of rice, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a chopped onion, half a tin of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, as this adds a little sweetness, and 3½ cups of stock or water, basil and oregano for taste, and a sprinkle of cheese to add some decadence. Instructions. Prepare the ingredients. Chop the onion into small pieces. Set your pressure cooker on the stove, add the oil and cook the onion until it is translucent but not brown, about 2 minutes. Add the rice. Stir in the rice, ensuring it is all covered by the oil. Then add the liquid. Add the water. You can also drain the water from the tin of tomatoes for added flavour, or if you have vegetable stock, this can be used. Be careful when adding the water, as there might be oil spitting. Bring up to pressure. Secure the lid and bring it up to pressure. Once there, cook for just 3 minutes. Release the pressure. Once the cooking time is complete, use the quick release to vent any steam and allow you to open the pot. Open the pot, ensuring to face away from you so that the steam doesn't come into your face. The mixture will be a little wet still, but the rice should be cooked. Stir in the tomatoes, herbs, tomato puree, and ketchup, and cook for 5 more minutes. Ladle the risotto into bowls and serve hot, or allow to cool and enjoy with a salad. Top with cheese for extra flavour. Tips for pressure cooking success. Do not overfill. Never fill the pressure cooker more than 2/3 full or halfway for food that expand like beans and grains. Liquid is key. Always ensure there is enough liquid to generate steam and build the pressure. Natural versus quick release. Understand when to use natural pressure release, good for meat dishes, and quick release, better for vegetables and delicate items. Recipes usually tell you which one is needed. The pressure cooker is a remarkable kitchen appliance that can revolutionize your cooking routine by cooking down on cooking time and enhancing the flavors of nutritional value of your meals. It allows you to enjoy delicious home-cooked dishes with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy parent, incorporating a pressure cooker into your culinary repertoire can make a world of difference. Give the recipe a try and experience the magic of pressure cooking for yourself. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.